How's it going, everybody? Pidgey PCs here. If you're following me from TikTok, I do appreciate the support. If you're brand new, make sure you like and subscribe. That way we can get this party going. I wanted to start my YouTube career off with a build that I planned for my wife. This is going to be her brand new PC. So let's go ahead and get into the components here. Starting things off at the top here, we've got the Lian Unifans, the SL120 Infinities. I'm going to be putting 7 of these in her case. 3 are going to be for the AIO, 3 are going to be going to the front, and 1 is going to the rear. Up next, we have the CPU that's going to power this whole thing, which is the Intel Core i9-11900K. Underneath that, we've got the power supply, which is the ROG STRIX 850 watt, fully modular 80 plus gold. Underneath the power supply is the motherboard. We're going to be running an ASUS ROG Maximus Z590 13 Hero. Let's get on to the right side here. We've got the ROG Herculix, which is her GPU support. Underneath the GPU support is the actual GPU, and what we're going to be running here is the ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3080 12GB. This is the Evangelion edition. Underneath the GPU, we have the AIO, which we're going to be running the ROG Strix LC2 360 ARGB. Rounding out the front here, you'll notice the cables. Those are custom built by me. I ordered all the supplies off of Mainframe Customs, and that's going to be, what's going to be running through her system. They do match the full build in a black, yellow, and purple configuration. The SSDs that she's going to be running 2 of them. The first one's going to be a Samsung 980 Pro 1TB. That is going to be for her boot and programs. Up next, we have the Sabrent Rocket Cube 2TB. That'll be for her full game storage. And finally, with the RAM, we're going to be running a G.Skill Trident Z Royal silver color in a 4x8GB configuration. So it is a 32GB kit. And the actual speeds of it is going to be 3600 megatransfers at a CL16B die. So that's the Samsung die. Now, all that's left to do is get into the build. Hope you guys enjoy.
Maximum power. Particle beam weapons.
Weapons activated.